Data analytics, what is it, and what does it do for business? Data analytics, what is it, and what does it do for business? Using data and analysis to build better products.
When you have lots of data, it may take too long to process manually, so you need an automated way to analyze it. The importance of data analysis to make better decisions. The importance of data science cannot be overstated. Data acquisition. Data preparation. Data modeling. Data acquisition. Data acquisition involves collecting information from diverse sources.
There are two ways to acquire data, passively and actively.
Data preparation.
Data preparation involves cleansing and transforming raw data into pre-processed data. Cleaning refers to removing any unwanted characters or special symbols from data.
Data modeling.
Once data has been prepared and cleaned, you can model its characteristics so that you can predict future events.
Models explain past trends and patterns in data.
For example, you can collect feedback and analyze responses to determine where customers are experiencing problems. Why data analytics?
Data analytics is a way to solve current issues in businesses, such as revenue loss due to fraud and other losses caused by human errors. Predictive modeling of customer behavior.
The most common way to apply predictive models is to predict whether a person will respond positively or negatively to a product or service.
Types of models used to predict customer behavior.
There are 4 types of models that can be used to predict customer behavior: regression, clustering, decision trees, and neural networks. Regression analysis. Regression analysis is a statistical technique that helps you find patterns in your data. It works like a machine learning algorithm, but with fewer parameters. Decision trees. Decision trees are remarkably like flow charts.
They work by breaking down a problem into smaller elements.
Neural networks. Neural networks are vastly different from traditional machine learning algorithms. Instead of being programmed with strict rules, neural networks learn from experience.
Customer targeting and segmentation. When it comes to customer targeting and segmentation, businesses have a few options.
They can target all their customers uniformly, target specific customer groups, or target individual customers.
Uniform targeting. With uniform targeting, every part of the campaign is used equally for each potential customer. The goal here is to reach everyone who might be interested in what you offer. Individual targeting.
In contrast to uniform targeting, individual targeting focuses on reaching just one group of consumers at a time.
It targets those who match certain characteristics rather than any member of the entire audience. Segment-based targeting. Another way to target customers is by creating a profile of their interests.
These profiles can range from simple demographic categories like gender, age, education level, income, and location, to detailed traits such as hobbies, interests, values, and even personality types.
Analyzing better customer service.
Additionally, data analytics can help customer service centers identify areas where they can improve their operations, thus providing a better overall customer experience.
In addition to tracking customer activity across channels, for example, phone, web chat, data analytics software also tracks customer behavior as they progress through an e-commerce funnel to determine individual conversion rates.
For example, if a certain type of incentive program generates a high percentage of repeat purchases, businesses can roll out similar deals again in the future.
More effective marketing with analysis.
Data analytics is one of the most important and effective ways to improve your marketing strategy. By understanding your customers' behavior and preferences, you can create more effective marketing campaigns that are tailored to their needs. Using data analytics to automate processes.
Data analytics involves the examination of data to find patterns and trends. This information can then be used to automate processes and make better decisions.
For example, a company can use data analytics to determine how much inventory to order based on past sales data.
Content marketing and data analytics. One effective way to do this is through content marketing, which involves creating and distributing valuable content to attract and retain customers.
Video creation. With the rise of YouTube and other websites, Digital video creation has never been easier. Incorporating social media. According to HubSpot, 62% of B2B companies claim to get no return on investment from Facebook ads alone.
If you want your business to succeed, it needs to invest money in paid advertisements, and that goes double for social media. Data acquisition and retention.
A good data acquisition tool is essential for any marketer.
It's one thing to have all the right tools, but another to use them correctly.
Lead generation with data analysis. Additionally, data analytics can help identify trends in customer behavior, allowing companies to adapt their marketing strategy accordingly. By understanding your customers' behavior and preferences, you can create a customer profile that will allow you to identify new leads and target them with relevant content.
Prospective planning with analytics.
By using data analytics and prospective planning, businesses can make better decisions about where to invest their time and money, and how to grow their business. Conclusion. The best way to start is to find out if data analytics is right for your business. Data analytics can help organizations reduce costs, improve efficiency, and make better decisions. However, it is important to remember that the value of buy is only as good as the quality and timeliness of its information.